Today we are going to discuss inverse Laplace transforms using partial fractions. So solving inverse Laplace transforms using partial fractions. So first problem is L inverse of s square by s plus 1 into s plus 2 into s plus 3. Okay. So we don't have any direct formula for this one. Okay, so what we have to do is this s square by s plus 1 into s plus 2 into s plus 3. You have to write it as the summation of the terms. So this you can write it as a by s plus 1 plus b by s plus 2 plus c by s plus 3. So now you take the LCM both sides and then you are going to get s square is equal to a into s plus 2 into s plus 3 plus b into s plus 1 into s plus 3. Similarly c into s plus 1 into s plus 2. So now you substitute the in place of s some values. So put s is equal to minus 1. So then what happens? So the left hand side you can say this one as equation 1, this one as equation 2. So substitute s is equal to minus 1 in the equation 2. So left hand side minus 1 whole square means plus 1 is equal to, so this term will vanish because s plus 1, this term will vanish. Therefore a into minus 1 plus 2, 1 minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2. That implies a is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, put s is equal to minus 2. So this term will vanish and the last term will vanish. Therefore, you left with the middle term. S is equal to minus 2 means s square means 4. So here b into minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. That means b is equal to minus 4. Similarly, put s is equal to minus 3. So this s plus 3, this term will vanish, this term, second term will vanish. You left with the third term. S square means 9. So c into s plus 1 minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. So minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2. It is minus 1. That implies c is equal to 9 by 2. Therefore, if you substitute all the values of a, b, c in the equation 1, therefore you will get s square by s square plus 1 into s square plus 2 into s square plus 3 is equal to a by 1 by 2 into s plus 1 plus b means minus 4 by s plus 2 plus c 9 by 2 into s plus 3. Therefore, you apply the inverse both sides. L inverse of s square by s square plus 1 into s square plus 2 into s square plus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 minus 4 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 2 plus 9 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 3. So if you simplify, you are going to get 1 by 2 into e power minus t minus 4 into e power minus 2t plus 9 into e power minus 3t. Okay. So this is the solving inverse Laplace using the partial fractions. Now we will consider one more problem. Okay. S L inverse of s square by s square plus 4 into s square plus 25. Okay. So now you consider the inner part, s square by s square plus 4 into s square plus 25. Okay, now we will consider the 1 by s square plus 4 into 1 by s square plus 25. So this you can write as 1 by s square plus 4 minus 1 by s square plus 25. So if you do like this, the numerator will left with 21. So to compensate 21, you divide with 21. You will get like this. Okay. So in the next step, we need s square by something. Therefore, s square by s square plus 4 into s square plus 25 is equal to 1 by 21 into s square by s square plus 4 minus s square by s square plus 25. Now you apply the inverse Laplace both sides. L inverse of s square by s square plus 4 into s square plus 25 is equal to 1 by 21 into L inverse of 1 by 21 into L inverse of s square by s square plus 4 minus s square by s square plus 25. Okay, this you can write it as 1 by 21 into 1 by 21 into L inverse of s square plus 4 minus 4 by s square plus 4 minus s square plus 25 minus 25 by s square plus 25. That is nothing but equal to 1 by 21 into L inverse of 1 by s square plus 4. Sorry, 1 not 1 by s plus 4. It is s square by s square plus 4 means 1 minus 4 by s square plus 4 minus s square plus 25 by s square plus 25 means 1. Next minus into minus plus 25 by s square plus 25. Okay, so this plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. Therefore 1 by 21 into L inverse of, you left with 25 by s square plus 25 minus 4 by s square plus 4. Okay, so that is nothing but equal to 1 by 21 into 1 by 21 into 25 into L inverse of 1 by s square plus 5 square minus 4 into L inverse of 1 by s square plus 2 square. Therefore what you left with is 1 by 21 into 25 into, so 1 by s square plus 5 square, 1 by 5 sin 5t minus 4 into 1 by 2 into sin 2t. Okay, so 5 times, 2 times. So what you left with is 1 by 21 into 5 sin 5t minus 2 sin 2t. So this is the way to solve the inverse Laplace using partial fractions second model. Okay.